50 years ago, Dr. Shaklee founded our company based on a philosophy of living in harmony with nature. And he had a very simple idea. Since we take from nature to create the best natural products in the world, we should also give back in equal part. And while that idea may sound simple, it has actually led to 50 years of concerted effort on the part of Shaklee Corporation to try to create an example of how a business can be successful at the same time do good and care for the environment as well. And so we try to do two things as a company. First, to create leadership and set an example of how companies can participate and care for the environment at the same time as they're caring for their bottom line. And the second thing is to try to empower and engage and create an opportunity for millions of individuals to participate and make a difference themselves. It all began in 1960 when Dr. Shaklee took on the challenges and problems created by ordinary household cleaning products. The toxic chemicals in the cleaning products created a problem for the water supply and also a problem, frankly, for the health of people in their homes. And because people use them every day, it was one of the largest contributors to waste of packaging in the country. So Dr. Shaklee pioneered the concept of super concentrated formulas and created one of the first biodegradable non-toxic cleaning products in the United States. Then in each decade that followed, we tried to support initiatives that were new and different that would call greater attention to the importance of caring for the environment. So in the 1980s, we've supported research expeditions with Jacques Cousteau, expeditions to the North Pole with Will Steger. We planted 1 million trees in the Himalayas. And then in the year 2000, we decided we really wanted to make an example. And Shaklee became the first company in the world to be climate neutral certified, to be certified to have a net zero impact on the environment. In 2006, we launched Get Clean, which is our new line of biodegradable, non-toxic, super concentrated formula of household cleaning products. Now, why is that important? Because we harken back to the idea that Dr. Shaklee originally had in 1960 of these concentrated formulas, but we applied 21st century science to it. And as a result of that, if 1 out of every 4 households in America switched to these super concentrated non-toxic cleaning products, we would eliminate over 7 billion pounds of carbon emissions each and every year. And not only that, but just as important, we would also be protecting the health of our families by getting rid of toxic chemicals. And on top of that, someone would save thousands of dollars by switching their cleaning supplies in one fell swoop. So we try to make it that you don't have to choose between doing good for yourself and doing good for the planet. And this is a wonderful way for each and every one of us to do our part. At Shaklee, we're about a healthy you, a healthy home, and a healthy planet. And while we're very proud to have been a leader in trying to show how companies can be both successful and stewards of the environment, we cannot do it alone. Make a decision to do something and then tell everyone you know, because it's collectively all of us that are going to be required to preserve the world and the planet for our children and our grandchildren to enjoy for generations to come.